Hey, Lo.
This party is jumping. We got a gang of crazy-ass bitches in the house. You coming over, homie?
I don't know, man. I had some plans tonight.
But we had a big disaster. I won't be rapping. My mic's broken.
Ah, okay. I'm gonna come over right now, then.
Yeah. It's your man OG Loke in the house, baby. And I wanna drop it down for all my real gangster niggas. All my gangster bitches. Speaking about gangster, look at my man CJ right there. CJ, what up, nigga, what up?
Thought the motherfucking mic was broke.
Hey, what's up, homie?
What's up, Ryder?
G, all the homies in the back, man, away from this whack music.
Man, I feel you.
It's no, no joke. I'm the man in the place. Punch you in the face. A gun in my waist. It's no, baby.
Damn, man, this lyrics is horrible.
That dude needs some work, man.
Hell yeah.
What up, fellas?
Hey, what's up with you, baby?
So you back on the block, huh?
Hell yeah.
You a real killer, huh?
What he done that I ain't, huh?
Stall him out,
Man,
nigga.
relax, man.
Hey, a baller's posse's about to run up. They're headed up here right now.
Looks like we backed them ballers against the wall, huh?
Hey, CJ, strap up. Scroll Street. Damn, man. I'll go get us some more backup.
Okay, get some cars, block the road. The rest of y'all get heated. Pick your positions. Carl, get some cover. Dump on them fools. Hey, look up. More of them on the bridge.
You lost the will to live yet?
Carl, cover the alleyway. Behind us, CJ, behind us!
Dirt.
Welcome to a...
Grove this, King!
Man, I ain't never seen the ballers roll that deep before.
Yeah, they heard Carl Johnson was running with his brother again.
Yeah, for sure.
Come on, let's get back to the party.
Shit, man. Once Lo got off the mic, then the party got started.
In jail, we pumped iron and watched Weasel.
What's happening?
Don't try to hit me up with that ghetto babble, boy.
Officer Tenpenny, how you get my number?
Ways and means, you piece of shit. You been trying to avoid me?
No, sir. I just been busy, that's all.
You're not busy unless you're doing something for us, you understand?
Yeah. Loud and clear.
Nice to hear it, Carl. Call in to the donut place in the middle of Market. We need to talk.
Your girl's got no nose.
Yeah? Well, you look like an asshole, so we even.